I'm gonna go see how much string I have. Ow. And I have no string to make a bow. So yeah. That's great. Let's go. Okay. See if there's any creepers. Oh, hello. Oh, hello. No, don't explode. What you do right now? Don't explode. Yeah, no. Oh, crap. Do not want that to happen. Okay. Where's the other creepers? Where are you? Where are you? Well, I keep hearing exploding creeper in my head. I don't know if that's just me. Yay! Hello. Hello. Whoa! Too close. There's no slow. And it did anyway. I'm so stupid. Ah! Don't explode. Don't explode. Oh crap, I'm trapped. Yeah. Booyah. Alright, let's go see. Should knock it back. I wish I had knocked back. Oh, darn it. I have like 400. Oh, hello, zombie. You didn't see me. Yeah, I think I need 5 balls. I do need. Yeah. Dang it. Alright, let's change this challenge up. Instead of getting 64 stack of TNT, I'm gonna get 10. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. My golly. My golly me. I don't want you, man, you zombie. You're not part of the challenge. What are you doing here? Stop taking all the credit. Stop taking all the credit. Don't explode. Don't explode. Okay, kill the zombie. Alright, that's good. Kill the zombie. Just blow the zombie into pieces. That's great. Blow up my flint. Blow up my, yeah, blow up my flint. Not my flint. Ugh, gunpowder. Yes, thank you. Thank you very much. Knock it back. Knock it back. Don't explode it. What are you doing? Come on, I need this enchanted. Oh, jeez. Dang it. I'm dying. I need some piggies. I'm gonna die for the second time. Ugh. Oh, good luck. Alright, pigs. Prepare to meet your death. Oh, is that a creeper? Yes, it is. There's 2. I'm scared because if they explode, I'm dead. I'll be a pile of bones on the ground. No, zombie. Go away. Oh, I'm a dead zombie. I don't like you. Don't blow up in my face, creeper. Just die. My gosh. Thank God. Okay, piggies. I need your meat. Need it. Alright, I saw a bunch of them before. There we go. Or I could get some steak McBurger. Oh. Hello, people. Hello, you died today. Thank you for it. Balls. Wow. I was actually getting a little happy there for a second. Alright, just get there fast. Can't run into another creeper like that. I keep thinking that's a spider right there. It's not, it's a black sheep. Let's go, 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 let's go. Going to get some meat, going to get some meat, yeah. I'm gonna at least try to get 10. I'm gonna try. Okay, I might give up. Might rage quit. I don't know. So if I rage quit, then yeah, the series is gonna be. This is where I fell before. I don't want to do it. No, I didn't fall there. I fell up here. Okay. Okay, there's the pig. There is a pickaxe. That means my stuff is here. Yeah. I'm gonna need pigs anymore. Whoa. Not going down there tonight. Alright, let's go to get, I'm actually gonna get some meat. Yeah, I'm gonna get some. So just in case, don't you dare fall in there. Don't I dare fall in there. One shot kill, cow stage 2 with a football. Alright. Drop bomb you. I can find you. Shit that donkey! Alright, that should be good enough. I don't think it is. Yeah, 7 steak. That's definitely not enough. Yes. Every time I see that sugar cane, I want to go and get it. After dying twice in this game, I have 1 TNT. Done. Yeah. 1. That's it. 1. Do I even have 1? No, I think I need 6. Alright, never mind. Oh, yes, I do have my texture pack on. Let me change that. There we go. Alright, that's better. Oh my god, yes, 1 TNT. 1 TNT. God. Playing this for like a half hour, I got 1 TNT. That's awesome. And I think it's daytime. Yes, it is. It's great. That's great. Great. So many creepers. Lag bomb. Ow. I don't know. Oh, this is not. I don't know what to do anymore. Alright, I'm just gonna end this episode right now because I'm bored. So, see you next episode. Maybe if there's gonna be a next episode. See you later.